Hi friends, and welcome to another Katie Productions puppet show. Today we have Sesame Street, Elmo's jumping in puddles. Enjoy the show.
Lots of puddles at last! Elmo's jumping in puddles on a rainy day. Jumping in puddles when the clouds are dark and gray. Elmo splishes and splashes